Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today we're going to be doing part 1 of our 3-part video series, and today we're going to be unboxing something that I received from Madam Glam New York. Let's get started. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit the like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So I had been asked to try out some stuff from Madam Glam New York, and I am super excited. I am so flattered that they thought of me, and they sent me here this package. It came by so quickly, and I know inside we're going to be looking at some of their gel polishes, and I wanted to see a solid, a glitter, and a hollow. So we're going to do that today. I want to show you the package that it came in. I thought it was going to be a big package, but it wasn't. But it is very secure in this plastic bag here, and I'm just trying to get my scissors right now to cut the bag out. I am all about super secure packaging. It's been rainy the past few weeks here and there, so you won't have to worry about this box here getting soaked. So that's something that I really like that they did. And I'm probably not using the best scissors. I'm using an old pair. I have an old pair and a new pair, and they both look the same. And of course, I have a hard time letting things go. So who knows? I'm assuming the one that I'm using today is just not as sharp as it should be. But yeah, so this is the box that they gave to me. And right now, I'm showing you what they feature. And they have vegan products. They're cruelty free. It's not tested on animals, and it's cognizant of the environment, and it's palm oil free. It's also 21 free formula, which means that there's 21 of the most toxic chemicals that are not found in these products. And I'm just going to show you what the box looks like as I do in my previous unboxings. Hello, Glamorous. You are on board for an amazing VIP experience, and I'm expecting that. I have not tried Madam Glam at all. You know, I'm a gelish fan, but I'm going to test these out for you guys today. I'm really liking their chic box. This is their website, www.madamglam.com. You can follow them on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and of course YouTube. And I did not know this, so I'll be checking them out today. And handle with care. I wish these things like this would be on the bag or the packaging, because, you know, the carrier, well, usually the carrier's probably not going to care about it, but yeah, he won't be able to see it anyway. And I think it's important because I've seen some unboxings from other companies, and there's been some mishaps in those videos. So as we see here, it's really nice. It's got this egg, this foam egg grating, and it's super soft and squishy. And that's great. That's like the first time I've ever seen packaging like that. And first look, we're looking at some instructions, I guess. And it's pretty good. I mean, it's on good cardstock. Seems a little water resistant. It gives a little synopsis of what they do, and that's super great. I mean, usually you just get the products and you're like, what am I going to do? Read the bottle? Yeah. And here are the step-by-step. It looks fairly easy. Prep your nails, apply base coat and cure. Apply 1 to thin coats of gel, color, and cure. Apply the top coat and remove tacky inhibition layer left at the end. Fairly simple. Curing times 2 minutes by UV lamp and 30 seconds by LED. I've never seen a UV lamp. I've only have gotten LED lamps. Oh, and this is good. Up to 4 weeks of perfect shine and wear. So you know what? I'm going to try doing that. We're going to try leaving these suckers on and see if it's a guaranteed perfect shine. Because I'm pretty brutal with my nails, you guys. You must know this. You know, I like to get my hands in it. I'll like stab my nails in boxes to open them. Yeah, these puppies are going to have a work on. I'm going to work them out. And the other side, just more about their company and what they do. That's super great here. I'm going to see if I can find those 21 toxic chemicals. I mean, I honestly don't pay attention to that, but it's nice to know that they're not in these products. It's also nice to know that it is vegan, and that they don't test on animals. I am totally oblivious to this stuff. Like, how would you test that? Paint their nails? I don't understand. But that's good. They have respect for the environment. And usually that's with shipping too. And I like that. I work for companies like that, and you know, we just are just so wasteful. So it's a good thing that they're very cognizant. I love companies that are cognizant of future imprint on our planet. So these are the colors that I got. This is the top coat. I really like that they included the top and base coat because I like to compare them to what I am currently using. This is Riverwalk. It's a white polish, and I love how they have the swatches on the top here. I don't really like swatching. I just like starting to use it and seeing what happens. So we'll see. Some of these swatch things came out, but I mean, it's not that big of a deal. You could just pop them back on, or if you want to be funny and screw with people, you could just switch them. But since this is just me, I don't need that. So that's the base coat. And then I got some 2 colors, glittery / hollow. This is a sticky toffee, and this is their glitter. I saw it online and I was like, I have to try this because it just gave this really nice, like, I don't know, to me, like an orangey hue. And then I definitely wanted to try a hollow because I love hollow. And swatch thing came out here, but that's what the top looks like. Now, I was kind of like shocked because online, what you see is the color that's on the label. And of course, the swatch does not look like what's on the label. I guess they took a picture of it once it hits a certain light, and I understand that. But I think it would be better if online they just showed the swatch on top, because that's really what you're getting. I thought I was going to be using some really pretty, you know, I love my blues and greens, and I thought I was going to be able to do some like aqua thing going on, but it's just a regular, I mean, it's real pretty, but it wasn't what I thought it was going to be. So that is in the box, and I'm just going to open these, you guys. I wanted to share with you the discount code that they're giving me. I think it's a great thing to, because when I add that 30, it's a 30% off discount. The way that I see it is, if I'm paying, you know, like $100, let's say, and you minus 30%, that means I could add something extra on there to go back to that 100 if I know that's what I was spending to begin with. So that's why I love this. It's not even like a 5%, 10%. We're talking about 30%. And I'm seeing that these polishes have some really nice thickness to it compared to what I'm using. So I'm kind of excited to see what they look like on a nail. So the discount, you guys, is right here. It's JOSIEI 30_1. I'm going to leave this code up here. I'll leave it in the description box. And there's also a link that will apply the 30% automatically if you click on that. So I'm going to leave that link in the description box below. But definitely take a look. Definitely pick out these colors because you can, well, you're not going to make it in time because I'm going to be showing the next part 2 and part 3 this week. But if you would like to replicate the design, obviously you know the colors, or you can pick your own and make your own variation. You can have it ready to go by this weekend. So I'm definitely going to go back in, because after using this, I have to admit I really enjoyed using their products. It came on very well. But we'll see that in the next videos. So thank you so much. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And join me again this week when I do part 2 of our 3-part video series featuring Madam Glam.